Okay, let's take a look at this DJ drop, the DJ intro. Here's the course assignment. So they're going to create a DJ drop or intro using provided audio files, etc., etc., etc. You guys can read. This is the actual assignment, and here are the rules for the assignment. You can use these or use your own. I have found that this first rule communicates pretty clearly. Kids kind of get it, and they understand what that's all about. And if you need to explain, we're in a classroom. I understand that contemporary popular music and other environments where you would hear and experience contemporary popular music, clubs, radio, things like that, or whatever kids are listening to, streaming, isn't always appropriate language to be used in a classroom. So that's where I come from with that, and that's up to you. So here we are. Pretty much that's it. So what I'll do is I'll talk them through it. What you'll see as part of the collection of DJ Intro is not just the assignment, but we'll talk about this thing called digital signal processing. And so what they have to do really is, the first thing is, well, what is a DJ intro or a drop? So we'll go here, I'll play some of these, and I'll add some of these. You can just Google it yourself. I would be very careful about what you play. Some of them are not rated G, but you'll get an idea of...
Check, 1 2 1 2.
You're in the mix with DJ. Your DJ name here.
So the idea is that a DJ pays for this highly produced audio, and you'll notice there's no music in the background because you don't know what music the DJ uses. So DJs will add their own music. So that's the idea of this class, is not only are they adding their own music, but they're going to use this highly produced audio. So here's another example.
You've got the hottest DJ in the game coming through your speakers. Turn it up, baby. Your DJ name here.
So they're very short. They're 7-10 seconds. My requirement is 15 seconds because I really want to hear some music going on. That's why I asked them for between 15 and 30 seconds. And you'll notice, look, one of them costs you $40. Wow. So here's a couple of others.
Welcome to Sky High Fridays at Level 3 Vodka Emporium. Tonight's flight will be arriving at our final destination in approximately 2 hours, and it'll be hosted by DJ Chris James. Please be prepared for an excessive amount of dance.
So you can listen to things like this. The longer versions are usually commercials or promos for events, things like that. So the idea is... let's try.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 1 Hour with Chris Ajeka Radio Show.
Anyway, that's actually a very good one where they're showing different things that the DJ Chris might have, different kinds of music that he might be playing. So it's advertising the DJ drop, DJ intro. So there's a whole bunch of these. I will put them in the file there. So what do you get? What you get is that I had some of my friends at school actually create some audio that the kids could use. So for instance, there's some Spanish here and and English as well. So here's just to play it. You just hit play.
1 2 3 4.
Great. And if I wanted to get DJ Mike Nice downloaded, I'll just click on that and it'll get downloaded here. And I could keep going. And so I could just decide it's hot.
It's hot.
It's hot. It's hot. So I could use some of that, and I could just download it by clicking on it, and it will download for me. And I'll go through these, or if I wanted to, I'll now show you a couple of things from DJ Schloss Abbas, in the house, number one DJ.
In the house with the number one DJ.
So these are all recorded what we call dry. It has no signal processing in it. That's what the kids have to do. So I'm going to go through these and pick a few that I want to use. You'll notice in my assignment, there's really no... you must use different kinds of processing. You must use some of the voiceover provided to you, and you must use your name that you will record. So once they do I start them working. I show them how to download. The first class is really, okay, you're going to This is what a DJ intro is. And here are the DJ files that you have available to you, the DJ Mike Nice and the DJ Schloss Boss. And you're going to pick a few of those, pick 2 or 3 at least. Remember, the idea of this is to advertise someone. So you want to have, what do you want to have up front, right up front? Words, because you want to talk about something. You're advertising something. The thing that you're advertising and selling is the DJ. So you want to have the words up front. You want to have a bunch of them to sell the product, which is the DJ. And as they're working to download things, the next class, what I'm going to do is discuss digital signal processing. And I'm going to give you a couple of videos on how I go through and demonstrate digital signal processing. And here, this sheet is really a reminder of how to get to the things that we do in class about digital signal processing. So while they're working on choosing their DJ drops, creating their music, we do some digital signal processing, and then they're working on this project for several days. This could take 5-6 days for them to do. And then I will call them in one at a time. They run in and they record some DJ names, and I'll do a demo of how I do that with the kids, so you can hear some of their DJ names.